Hey guys, Zach here with Reams Fishing. Got to do a little bit of kayak fishing yesterday after work on some ponds. Got to catch some fish. We did get stuck in a little bit of rain. Thankfully it didn't last that long, so we got to stay out and have as much fun as we could. Guys, stick around. Fishing's going to start in a little bit.
So I'm fishing out here. I found some grass out here in the middle of this open water. And I'm really trying to hope that I can find some fish sitting in it, but I might have to switch to a jig here pretty soon. I just can't get the action out of this chatterbait that I want because all this grass. It's all slick spaghetti grass. Oh no! Dang it. We missed it. There was a fish right there. Hopefully he didn't get poked. Maybe he'll bite again. Got another one. This one's gonna stay on the hook, I hope. Oh, it's a little guy. Oh no, bro. Dang. He spit it right there at the end. Ah. Bummer. Alright, well, one in the grass. We are gonna keep fishing this grass. I see some like other surface vegetation over here. I can't tell from my angle. It's probably lily pads. But we're gonna creep up on the outskirts of those and fish where the wind is blowing into it, and hopefully there's some bass tucking up there getting ready. I feel like that's a good spot for them to be if they're trying to feed. So yeah, I suppose we're gonna throw down anchor. And this is a little closer. I don't really want to get to it. There's pros and cons to fishing in grass. I'll tell you what. Pro is there's some frickin' slaunches in grass. Con, you got to deal with the grass. Some days are easier than others. When you're catching stuff in the grass, dealing with it's fun. When you're having a day where you're not catching anything in the grass, but you're still persisting and trying to fish it, dealing with the grass can be a real headache. So I'm kind of drifting up further to more cover, so I want to keep paddling. It works pretty nice. It's kind of nice in the kayak to do that. Nice being able to do it, I guess I should say. You can do it in a boat too. But we're not in a boat. This is where we're having jigs and kind of having an idea how to jig fish is nice. Because there aren't too many baits that you can really fish this kind of stuff with. Being the top water, like a frog, probably fish this frog with this. But there aren't too many other baits out there that you're going to be able to pull through this and fish with. Now, if I knew exactly what I was fishing today, I probably would have had this lighter colored jig tied on. I probably would have had another one tied on that was darker. But I don't. at that. There we go. Oh dang, it's stuck in his face. There we go. Popped it right out. Another little guy. Another little guy. All right, buddy. You can go home. Later. Tell your bigger friends come hang out. Well, no lunkers today yet, but hey, fish is a fish. Well, it looks like we have some inclement weather coming from over yonder, which gives me two things. It's nice because that sun was really getting warm, but the last thing is I was really liking catching fish, and well, I don't really have anything waterproof holding my GoPro batteries right now. So, that being said, we are going to fish until it starts to begin the inclement weather. And then I'm going to paddle as fast as I can against the wind back to the truck. Oh, dude, just another little one. Thanks for stopping by, feller. Just another little guy. Well, I don't know where all their friends are, but the big ones are gone today, I guess. Later, buddy. Well, we found a little bit less grassy spot. We are going to try our bladed jig again. Our Guggen clickbait. And see if we can't get anything to do this. Well, maybe I thought there wasn't any grass, but it just wasn't a stick. Oh, those clouds just look ominous, I tell ya. It's about to get a little hairy. Oh, a little bit better than the other ones we got. Oh, and as soon as I catch you, the unfortunate weather hits. There you go. You bad omen. Well, I guess. We are going to continue to fish for a little bit because I want to catch another one now. I was really hoping to catch a bigger one than that little guy. So we're going to give her a little bit. Well, it's starting to rain harder. So I think we're gonna give her one more cast for good measure, and think we're gonna head her out. You know me, can't give the last cast, not do one more last cast. So, gonna give her one more. Yep. Probably gonna end the same way as the last cast, but wouldn't have ever known unless I tried. Man, that rain's a little chilly. Damn, this is a big patch of leaves. Man, it's really starting to rain. Every part of me says go home, but there's always the other part that says catch a bigger fish. Hey, it stopped raining. There he is. Hi, everybody. Why are there so many small fish? Oh, jeepers. Skirted away. Oh, man. All right, folks. It's gonna be the last move. I think I'm gonna call her a day. I gotta get home. Gotta do some things at home. My wife wants me to come home. Yeah. So home's the next destination after we finish this last spot. another better one. Not like a super tiny guy. Heck yeah, buddy. They're healthy fish. Super healthy. But hey, we're gonna go home, fella. We're gonna go home. Later. Well, we call it there? Is that what we call it? I said I wasn't gonna go anywhere else, so I think I'm just gonna keep fishing this spot here.